If you want to eat a tasty stew without MSG, this is how I make my stew. So I'm just putting in the tomatoes into my blender. Look at my mixture. So I have cabbage, I have carrot, I have green pepper, I have spring onion, and this is me blending. So I'm going to pour into my pot. And then I had already steamed the tomatoes. Take note, you have to steam first. So now I'm going to put it, I'm putting in crayfish. So I put the crayfish before the stew starts boiling, and I'm putting in my dry fish. I use dry fish, so I steamed it first. And I also added some snails into the stew. Then this is me putting in my herb-based spices. I use my soup spices for umami. And then I put in the stew spices as well. So I put in my kulikuli groundnut oil. You guys know I don't use any other oil. This is the pure groundnut oil that I use, and this is my quantity of salt, 1 spoon, and then half for this big stew. So it's going to be shared in equal for everyone, and none of us will pass out.